Hello everyone and welcome in IceWarp tutorial. This time we will have a look to how to organize an event. So in your web client you will go to a calendar and select a time frame where you'd like to create your event. You drag it and right click to create a new one. That will create you an appointment. What the appointment will be about? Well, put it in event title. The event can be all day long, or it can have some duration. Don't forget to set reminder, for example 10 minutes upfront. If that would be a recurrent event, you can also turn it on in here in the repeating. Now scroll down, and here you can organize a hybrid meeting, which means that not only you will be in person in some meeting room, for example, but the other parts might be also connected to IceWarp online conferences. So I will turn it on and will enable auto recording. So that's done. Now let's book a meeting room for this meeting. So in here, in location, you should be able to see a list of your resources. So I will select a big meeting room. And now, last thing, let's put some attendees. So for me, I need to have there Casey, Celia, and James. There you go. Now, what happened on the right side, as you can see, is that the meeting became red. What does that mean? Well, that means that, unfortunately, within the proposed time you are trying to organize an event, someone is already busy. This time, you see that it's Casey. Yeah, Casey is overlapping here. So what to do next? Well, you can either have a look to what time will suit the meeting best for all of the attendees, or you can let IceWarp to do that for you. That is especially handy when you are having multiple attendees, which might be pretty tricky and hard actually to find a free time slot for all of them. So in IceWarp you have here find the best time for a conference. So you just click on it and it will immediately look for available time slots, so we can reschedule that, press done, and it's rescheduled. So now we are fine. Click create, and as a result, IceWarp will send out all the meeting invitations to all the attendees. Because I created also a conference, therefore I will see it in my conferences. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you are awaiting your responses from other attendees, whether they will come, they will accept the invitation or decline or propose new time or make it tentative, whatever. But now it's up to them. See you on another video.